Hey guys, welcome back to Dude We Can Fix It. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the airbag from your steering wheel on your GMC Sierra, Yukon XL, your Chevy Tahoe, Suburban, or Sierra. So, if you're having any issues with that, or you're trying to access some wiring behind there, trying to take your whole steering column out, this is the first step. It's a tricky one, but it's really simple once you know how to do it. So let's get started. So before you start removing your airbag horn button on your steering wheel, open up your fuse panel, find your airbag fuse, and remove it from the block, which on this one was right there. So the first thing you want to do is get your steering wheel at a 90-degree angle so the top is facing that way, and that will give you access behind here to this rectangular slot. If you have a truck that is a 2003 or newer, you will not have the rectangle shaped holes behind the steering wheel. Instead, you will have a hole on each side of the steering wheel that you will be able to place a pick in to release the clips on your airbag horn cover. Next, you want to take a small flathead screwdriver. You want to put it in that slot. It should go in about 2 inches. Make sure it's in there. Then you're going to pull up on your screwdriver and pull this airbag steering wheel cover off. And pull your screwdriver out. Then you're going to rotate the wheel 180 degrees. And do the same thing on this side. Now, if you want to completely remove your airbag, you would just disconnect this wiring harness here, and this will all come off. I'll give you a close-up of what we're accomplishing here, taking this piece off. So you see this prong and this indention in it is actually a spring retainer. The spring is this spring right in here. So you see when I pull up on the screwdriver, the spring goes down. Now we're going to get this airbag out of the way. First, you just pop this out, then use a small screwdriver to pry this connector out. Once that's done, set this out of the way somewhere that it's not around you or anyone else, because this thing is an airbag, can be dangerous. Let's go ahead and reconnect our airbag. There we go. These prongs here go in these holes here and here. There you go. Now you can reinstall your 15 amp fuse for the airbag. And replace this panel. And there you have it. Well guys, that's how you take the airbag out of your steering wheel on your GMC or Chevy truck. I hope this video was useful to you. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your bell notifications for future videos. And as always, thanks for watching. Dude, we can fix it.